Hello, this is a video demo of beta version 3.5 of the AI Code Monitor tool. In the current release, we have implemented a few customer-centric features, which I'm going to show you now. Number one, users now have the option to connect with Azure DevOps. Previously, they just had the option to connect with GitHub. You see over here, connection with Azure DevOps is there, and then there are certain steps that you can follow to connect. Secondly, as part of simplification of the user journey for the customers, we have removed the repository group information from the dashboard and given it its own placeholder on the left-hand pane over here. Now, if the users want to view the repository details, they can click on this link and they will see all the repository groups that they have created and all the repositories that are under it, along with the stats for each repository and the repository group. So this is the GenAI code composition telling them about how much is the GenAI percentage versus not GenAI percentage, and within GenAI it's how much is pure percentage versus blended percentage. Further on, if they want to know what are these files we are saying over here, there are 25 files and Python files and 10 bash files, one HTML file. If they want to see chunk details and code level details, they can click on any of these repository name and we'll take you to the repository detail page. Over here, you can see the files and the code that you want, and you can start with doing a search. For example, if you say do this, go on to this specific file, will show you the chunks and the code level information. And over here, you have option to do filtering as well. For example, you are on any of these different files and you have the option to select the filter blended versus PureAI versus NotGenAI versus not evaluated. Suppose you just want to see the not evaluated files, these are these. If you just want to see NotGenAI, it's this. PureAI, you get the picture. There's no PureAI over here. Get to see the blended. So that's how you can do the filtering, and you can see the chunks which have been labeled as blended PureAI, not GenAI, or not evaluated. Now, this is what you see on the repository detail page on the AI Code Monitor. Now, if you want to um, see that information, the pull request, then you can go to your GitHub or Azure DevOps. In this case, I'm showing an example of GitHub. You go over here, you get to see your pull request, and at the code review detail page, you can click and see you have got the checks, and within that, you will have the Sema app check, which is the Sema AI GenAI detector. Over here, you will see that this information has been shown of overall pure blended. This is the percentage for this specific PR, and when you click on more details, we take you to the PR scan detail page, and over here the GenAI composition is shown, and along with that you can see the code level information. For example, you can do the same various search. Um, you can see what information is there, what is not, and by searching you can get to the specific file. You click on that and you get to see the chunk and the code. Same functionality as you just saw on the repository detail page. You also have the option to see the filters, and you can select which one you want to see, just the blended labeled chunks, or you want to see the others. Everything is exactly the same as you saw on the repository detail page. Now you will also see a separate link on the left-hand side on the AI Code Monitor tool called the Developer Groups Beta. We have taken it out from the dashboard again, and we are giving it a separate link so that you can directly go and view the information about the developer groups and the developer. Now this part is currently in a beta phase, as you see over here, and this is developer groups and the underlying developers are over here. All the information related to the developer group and associated developers are displayed. Now, this page is going to evolve to provide more actionable insights, so keep tuned. Apart from this, under the hood, we have made further improvements in the accuracy, including more varied human data in our training set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share any feedback that you may have for us. I'm looking forward to sharing further improvements on the AI Code Monitor tool in the next video. Thank you.